Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system and installing the needed tool. Make sure your Windows 11 build is supported and you know whether it's 64-bit. Once done, download the chosen folder color utility and run its installer as an administrator so it can register shell extensions. During install, allow the app to modify file associations and context menu entries. This is required so folders show color options. After the installer finishes, reboot if prompted, because shell integration often needs a restart to appear in File Explorer. Now you change a folder's color through the integrated context menu. Right-click the target folder in File Explorer and choose the extension's color option. This is where presets and custom pickers are presented. Select a preset for speed or open the color picker to set precise hue and opacity for better contrast. After choosing, click Apply. If the tool supports propagation, choose whether to apply the color to subfolders. Make sure to refresh the window or press F5 so the new color renders immediately. Finish by confirming the color change stuck and testing other folders. If the color did not persist, refresh File Explorer, sign out and back in, or restart the PC. If the context menu option is missing, rerun the installer and choose Repair or Run as admin to restore shell hooks. Make sure your antivirus did not quarantine components. Finally, if corporate group policy blocks shell extensions, contact IT. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable real-time antivirus scanning during install to prevent blocked files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.